Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cazal sunglasses model 8041 in color code 001. The color of the frame is black.
And the lenses are gray gradient. These glasses are also a square shape. Its temples are black, and you'll find the Cazal logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Cazal logo engraved on its top left lens. On its inner right temple is the model number, color code, dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. On its inner left temple, you'll find that it's made in Germany and the Cazal logo. The glasses also come with a Cazal hard case, a black Cazal cleaning cloth, a Cazal dust bag, a Cazal booklet, and an authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.